Okay, so let's take a look at the Canon EOS M50. Alright, this is actually my first camera that I got. First digital camera. Bought it off Amazon Prime. Got it in one day. And okay, this camera is very beginner friendly because I knew nothing about digital cameras, and I was able to learn and get used to this camera pretty quickly. So after 3 months of using it, I'm just gonna run through some stuff. So let us start with the screen. On switch right there. Open that bad boy up. This can go all the way around like that for like vlogging and stuff. Oh, and it can also go the other direction. Alright, so you can also do it like this. Okay. So this screen is very versatile. It's touch screen. Alright. Very versatile. Very versatile. Alright. Now this is where the mic thing is. I don't really like the positioning because you would have to open it up, turn it around, and then open this, because if you open this first, you're not going to be able to turn the screen around. So I don't like the positioning of that, but hey, you can't have it you can't have everything you want, right? Let's see, what else do we want to talk about? First, let's put this back in right here. Right, what came off accidentally. We want to talk about this top rail right here. I like this because this has like a lot of different settings and modes, and you can just change it by one click and you're ready to go. See, right now I have it in movie mode. The other good recording mode for YouTube is TV. Alright, and you turn it, you can see it right there. You can see as soon as you turn it, it changes, you know. I like this function. Makes it easy to get used to. There are different filters. You can choose your filter, you know. Alright, movie recording. I like this. So there's this automatically sets the brightness and everything. Right. Manual exposure for your photos. Right. So this is good for YouTube too. Alright. Now this is good too because we're gonna get back to that. Okay. Alright, so you see the buttons are on the top right there. The menu is right there. Flash, autofocus, manual focus, delete, info. Right. This is HDMI. It has Wi-Fi connectivity too. So this obviously is the eject switch. Right. You can eject that bad boy right there. But I leave it on all the time because I use it every day. So there's no need to take it off. Then you can open it up. Take it off. The lens, the default lens that it comes with is pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. But again, I'm a beginner, so for those who know the lingo, this has a 15 to 45 millimeter lens. I have no idea what that means. All I know is that it's good enough to record the videos that I record on YouTube. One of the issues I had with this camera, for those who follow my videos and stuff, one of the issues I had with this camera over the past couple of days is that I am looking for okay, here it is. This is what I was looking for right here. Take a look. See that? See what that says? See that? That says 4K. but I can guarantee you this camera does not have 4K. For those who follow my videos, over the past couple of days I've been using the 4K mode, and what happens is that when you put it in 4K, it continuously goes in and out of focus, in and out of focus, in and out of focus, in and out of focus. It's terrible, because you would think that 4K would allow you to have better quality, but I swear to God, when you put it in 4K, it's like this: in focus, out of focus, in focus, out of focus. It's crazy. So if you're buying this camera, you say, oh, I want a 4K camera. This is not a 4K camera. It has 4K. It has 4K, and I've even tried adjusting like my lighting. Maybe I tried to get like brighter lights to see if that would help the autofocus in 4K mode, but it doesn't help. You know, it doesn't help. The 4K is trash. It doesn't work. All right. And also when you use it, the screen like zooms in really close. So it's that the 4K is just no okay. All right, it's not okay. But this right here, standard HD is perfect. All right. So let me see, what else do I want to point out about this camera? I mean, again, this is my first camera, so I'm always gonna love her. You know what I mean? But this is just a review to let you know what to expect. This is actually a good, very good camera. It has a part on the top for you to attach your microphone. All right, and yeah. So, oh yeah, let's take a look in here. So I don't have the SD card in there right now, but everything comes in and out pretty good. See, everything's nice. I like this because I don't have any issue with the battery setup, or with the I don't have any problems with this, with the SD card. It goes in, it comes out. You know, the mount is right there, and even when you put the mount on, you can still open this up. So that's kind of cool, because sometimes I put it on the camera and then it has no SD card in it, and I have to like open it up. So that's pretty cool. And